Cut it. Hey, the bad bitch, she said she wanna fuck with me tonight. I said, bitch, you better have some money. You wanna fuck me? I don't wanna see no 20, I wanna see no 50. Lose this, I don't know what I'm talking about. I ain't playing around when I come around. I will pull up on you. They will talk. And you can ask my sister, my brother, know I will come fuck you for the bands.
Fuck you for them fucking bands. Fuck you with no fucking hands. She put her ass on me like damn. I just smash. Running from the shit don't crash. I don't ever fucking crash. Nigga, you gon' feel this aftermath. Nigga, what's +2 +2? Yeah, this Freestyle flipping food. You already know that juice. I'm dripping hard like juice. Ooh, I'm like Lil Uzi. But yo, bitch, she think I'm still can't fool me. You already know the deal. I'm busting like a Mac 10, ain't no Uzi. Yeah, nigga, I'm real shit. You niggas really wanna feel this. Your bitch gon' take big dick. She gon' suck some dick for the tip. Suck dick for the tip. You know she feelin' big dick. And you know she ain't gon' say shit. Cause it's dick in her mouth, she can't talk. Yeah, bitch, she can't walk. Walking with a cane, yeah, bitch, talk. Yeah, bitch, she gon' talk, but I'ma skip through all that chalk, hopscotch.
Cut it. His bitch pick me up in the bucket. His bitch pick me up in the bucket. His bitch pick me up in the bucket. Niggas already know that I'm pressed. Niggas already know you don't wanna test. I come through straight with that tech. Shoot a nigga right in his neck. Niggas know I'm gon' flex. Niggas know I'm gon' flex though. Niggas already know I'm the best though. Like Nike put niggas in check though. Got J's talking about retros. Got J's talking about retros. My weed loud, I'm talking about an echo. Told these niggas I'm better than the rest though. Told these niggas I'm better than the rest though. We loud here, I'm talking about an echo. Niggas already know, niggas gotta know this. Niggas already know I got about 4 bricks. Niggas already know I got about 4 bricks. Sitting in the back with your chick. Sitting in the band
with your chick.
Sitting in the band with your chick.
Why you looking hella jealous? I know my weed loud, you can smell it. But I don't give a fuck, yeah. I'ma rock the show like I'm Elvis. I'ma rock it like I'm Elvis. Yeah, bitch, put it in her pelvis. Dick, put it in her pelvis. Send her something in the mail, bitch.
She said, I'm a G, you can tell it. I'm a G, you can tell it. Pussy good, I can smell it. Pussy good, I can smell it. It's the story, I'ma tell it. It's the story, I'ma tell it. Head to the house, I'ma mail it. Head to the house, I'ma mail it. Niggas already know. I said I'm too official. Niggas already don't know. I come out, I keep 2 pistols. I keep a chrome pistol. Spit right through his bone gristle. Spit right through his bone gristle. Spit right through his bone gristle.
We got 2 pistols. He one, I'm the missile. You already know what it is, my nigga. We coming through when we pull them triggers. When we come through, we don't talk no shit. We don't wanna hear shit with the money and the bricks. When we come through, we don't wanna talk shit. All we wanna see is money and them fucking gold bricks.
Take your life, it's your fault, bitch. Niggas already know. I walk in the talking. Take your life, it's your fault, bitch. Niggas already know. I walk in the talking. I do this thing. Niggas already know. They see my chain. Niggas already know. They see my chain. Niggas already know. They see my chain. Don't walk with my shoes. You don't see my pain. You don't see my pain. You don't see my pain. Bitch so bad, you can't see my mane. You can't see my mane. Niggas already know they gotta see though. Young fly nigga with an ego. Looking for your girl, she give me that deep throat.